Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can delete your Facebook page very easily, because sometimes we need to delete our page. So in this video I will show you how you can easily do it. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So if this video will be helpful for you, then please give like this video, because it helps me that YouTube algorithm will promote my video. So firstly, open your Facebook application, and here you will see three lines on top right. Click on it, and then you will see arrow options. Click on it, and here select your page which you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this page, then I will click on it. Then my Facebook profile will switch to my Facebook page. So after that, you will see three lines on top right. Click on it, and then scroll down the page, and you will see setting and privacy options. Click on it, then click on setting options, and here you can see page setting options. Click on it, then scroll down the page, and you will see access and control options. Click on it, and here you can see deactivation or deletion options. Click on it, and here you can see two options: deactivate page or delete page. Because you want to delete your page, that's why you will click on delete page. So after that, click on continue. So here you can see page deletion options, so click on continue. After that, you can see before delete your account, you can download your information, so you can also transfer your information. So after that, click on continue, and here write your Facebook password. So after writing Facebook password, click on continue, then click on continue, then click on delete page. So you can see my page is deleted. So in this way you can delete your Facebook page. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.